And now to the corridors of justice. A Kisii court has acquitted Bobasi legislator Innocent Obiri and his bodyguard police constable Charles Nyakweba of charges related to incitement, malicious damage to property, and obstruction. The court found that the alleged offences reportedly committed on May 6, 2018 could not be conclusively proven to have taken place at a specified quarry in Nyamomnema village within the constituency, as Virginia Mudeu now reports.
Bobasi MP Innocent Obiri and his bodyguard police constable Charles Nyakweba pleaded not guilty of causing damage to a company's property. County 45 Investment Limited took Obiri and Nyakweba to court for allegedly inciting local residents to disrupt its operations. The Chief Magistrate Nathan Luther delivered the verdict, emphasizing that the prosecution failed to provide sufficient evidence to support the charges against the accused.
There is no evidence on record that was tendered by the witnesses in support of this charge, and therefore it cannot stand. In totality, I therefore find that the prosecution has not proved all the charges against the accused persons beyond a reasonable doubt, and I proceed to acquit them under Section 215 CPC.
Obiri's defense, led by lawyer Katwa Kigeni, argued that the charges were fabricated, a sentiment echoed by Obiri himself after the acquittal. Kigeni commended the court for vindicating the accused persons and asserting that justice had prevailed.
We maintain our position that indeed there was no basis to have charged the Mheshimiwa and his security. All these were meant to discourage him from doing his work as an MP, representing his constituents and complaining on their behalf when they are prejudiced.
Obiri criticized his accusers for what he deemed as a misuse of the judiciary. Obiri lauded the judgment, explaining that he had gone to the quarry to complain over its adverse effects on the residents when he was arrested and arraigned in court.
And blasting was being done, and people died out of that blasting. A lot of property was damaged out of that blasting. And as an area member of parliament, I had nothing else to do other than to protest on their behalf. I was arrested in the most dehumanizing conditions.
MP Obiri says he is committed to advocating for the well-being of the community and promised to persevere in the face of adversity. Virginia Mudeu, KUTV.